Hey, shutterbugs and video creators! Are you ready to capture 2025 in jaw-dropping detail? In today's video, we're diving into the absolute best Sony camera of 2025 that's taking the photography and videography world by storm. Whether you're a pro chasing cinematic 4K or a beginner snapping your first shots, this camera's got it all: stunning resolution, lightning-fast autofocus, and features that'll make your content pop. Stick around as we break down why this Sony gem is your must-have gear this year. Let's get rolling. Links to all products are mentioned in the video description, so let's jump right in the video. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7 IV A7 IV. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a fantastic hybrid camera for photographers and videographers in 2025, offering a great balance of performance and value. Its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor delivers stunning image quality with excellent dynamic range, perfect for landscapes, portraits, and low-light shooting. The camera shines with its advanced autofocus system, featuring 759 phase detection points and real-time tracking for humans, animals, and birds, making it ideal for fast-moving subjects. It records 4K 60p video with 10-bit 4:2:2 quality, appealing to video creators, though it crops in APS-C mode for 60p. The A7 IV's dual card slots provide reliability for professional work, and its ergonomic design with a fully articulated screen enhances usability. However, it's not without flaws. The camera can overheat during extended video shoots, which may frustrate users in long sessions. Its 10 FPS burst rate, while decent, lags behind newer models like the A6-7000. The menu system, though improved, can still feel complex for beginners. Compared to higher-end models, the A7 IV lacks the resolution of the A7R5 or the speed of the A1 but its price point makes it accessible for enthusiasts. The viewfinder and LCD are good but not as sharp as competitors at similar prices. Battery life is solid but not exceptional, and the lack of 4K 120p limits slow-motion capabilities. Overall, the A7 IV is a versatile choice for those seeking full-frame quality without breaking the bank, though it's outpaced by newer Sony models in specific areas. Pros: excellent 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, advanced autofocus, 4K 60p video, dual card slots, ergonomic design. Cons: overheats during long video shoots, 10 frames per second burst rate, complex menu, no 4K 120p, average viewfinder resolution. Number 4. Sony Alpha 6 700 A6700. The Sony Alpha 6 700 is a standout APS-C camera in 2025, offering pro-level features in a compact, lightweight body. Its 26-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor delivers sharp images with impressive low-light performance, rivaling some full-frame cameras. The A6700's AI-based autofocus, inherited from the A7RV, excels at tracking humans, animals, birds, and even insects or planes, with 759 phase detection points covering 93% of the frame. It shoots 4K 60p video without a crop and 4K 120p with a 1.62x crop, making it a strong choice for hybrid shooters. The fully articulated 1.04-meter dot LCD and 2.36-meter dot EVF enhance usability, while its weather-sealed body is perfect for travel. However, the A6700 has drawbacks. Its single card slot is a risk for professionals needing backup, especially for weddings or critical shoots. The hand grip and button layout feel cramped compared to the A7 IV, and the front control dial is awkwardly placed. It lacks the full-frame sensor's depth of field and low-light edge, and high ISO performance, above 12,800, shows noticeable noise. The 11 FPS burst rate is slightly better than the A7 IV, but not class-leading. Firmware updates are simple, but the camera's buffer for RAW files, 59 images, is smaller than some competitors. For enthusiasts prioritizing portability and advanced autofocus, the A6700 is a compelling, budget-friendly option, but it's not ideal for those needing full-frame quality or dual-card reliability. Pros: compact and lightweight, AI-based autofocus, 4K 60p 120p video, weather-sealed, great value. Cons: single card slot, cramped grip, noisy at high ISOs, smaller RAW buffer, APS-C sensor limitations. Number 3. Sony FX2 Cinema Line. The Sony FX2 Cinema line, a 2025 release, is a powerhouse for videographers, blending professional video features with Sony's cutting-edge tech. Built for filmmakers, it boasts a full-frame sensor optimized for video, delivering cinematic 4K 120p footage with 10-bit 422 color and S-Log3 for superior dynamic range. Its autofocus, with 627 phase detection points, tracks subjects reliably, including humans and animals, making it versatile for narrative or documentary work. The FX2 supports professional codecs like XAVCHS and All-Intra, and its robust build includes advanced cooling for extended shoots. The camera features a 3.5-inch fully articulated touchscreen and a high-resolution EVF, ideal for precise framing. However, the FX2 is less suited for stills, with a modest resolution compared to the A7RV or A1 II, limiting its appeal for hybrid shooters. Its high price makes it less accessible than the A6700 or A7i4, and its larger, heavier body reduces portability. The menu system, while improved, remains complex for quick adjustments. It lacks the A12's speed for fast-action stills, and its battery life is average due to power-hungry video features. The FX2 also requires expensive accessories like external recorders for maximum potential, adding to costs. For dedicated videographers, the FX2 offers unmatched video quality and flexibility, but photographers or those on a budget may find it overkill compared to the A7IV's versatility or the A67000's compactness. Pros: cinematic 4K 120p video, professional codecs, reliable autofocus, robust build, advanced cooling. Cons: modest stills resolution, expensive, heavy, complex menu, average battery life. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7 RV A7RV. The Sony Alpha 7 RV is a high-resolution beast in 2025, perfect for photographers needing unmatched detail. Its 61-megapixel full-frame sensor captures breathtaking images, ideal for landscapes, portraits, and large prints. The AI-powered autofocus, with 693 phase detection points, tracks subjects like humans, animals, and vehicles with precision, even in low light -4 EV. It shoots 4K 60p video with a crop, offering 8K 30p for those needing ultra-high resolution footage. The A7RV's 9.44m EVF and 2.1m fully articulated LCD are among the best, providing clear previews. Dual card slots, CF Express/SD, ensure reliability, and its weather-sealed body suits rugged conditions. However, the high resolution comes at a cost. Large file sizes demand significant storage and processing power. Its 10 fps burst rate is decent but slower than the A1 II, limiting action photography. The A7RV is pricier than the A7IV, which may deter enthusiasts. High ISO performance, above 12,800, shows noise compared to the A7IV, and its video capabilities, while strong, don't match the FX2's cinematic prowess. The complex menu system can overwhelm new users, and its weight is less travel-friendly than the A6700. For professionals prioritizing resolution and detail, the A7RV is a top choice, but its cost and specialized nature make it less versatile than the A1 II for hybrid shooters. Pros: 61-megapixel sensor, AI autofocus, 8K video, high-resolution electronic viewfinder LCD, dual card slots. Cons: large file sizes, slower 10 frames per second, expensive, noisy at high ISOs, complex menu. Number 1. Sony Alpha 1 Day 2 A1 II. The Sony Alpha 1 II claims the top spot as the best Sony camera in 2025, blending speed, resolution, and versatility for professionals. Its 50.1-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor delivers exceptional image quality, balancing detail and low-light performance. The A1 II's autofocus, with 759 phase detection points and AI subject recognition, tracks everything from humans to insects flawlessly. It shoots at a blazing 30 frames per second with no blackout, perfect for sports and wildlife. For video, it offers 8K 30p and 4K 120p with 10-bit 422, rivaling the FX2 while excelling in stills. The 9.44m EVF and 1.44m LCD ensure precise framing, and dual CF Express/SD slots provide reliability. Its weather-sealed body is durable but heavier than the A6-7000. Downsides include its steep price, making it out of reach for most enthusiasts. High ISO performance, while excellent, doesn't surpass the A7 IV significantly. The menu system remains complex, and battery life can drain quickly at 30 frames per second or 8K. File sizes are large, requiring robust storage. Compared to the A7RV, it offers less resolution but far greater speed. For hybrid shooters needing a do-it-all camera, the A12's unmatched performance justifies its cost, making it the ultimate choice for professionals in 2025. Pros: 50.1 megapixel sensor, 30 frames per second shooting, 8K/4K 120p video, AI autofocus, durable build. Cons: expensive, complex menu, large file sizes, battery drain at high performance, heavy.